everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I am here to share a unboxing. Yes, y'all, I have a special unboxing. Before I start with the unboxing, I just wanted to let you know, if this is not your cup of tea, I would highly recommend clicking out now, because I don't want you to feel like I tricked you into watching a video or made you feel some type of way. I don't know. So I'm just letting you know up front, this will be a Louis Vuitton dupe video. So again, if this is not your cup of tea, go ahead and click out, and you know Miss Tamika still got you, okay? That being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here video. Brand reach out, and I always told y'all, if they reach out, I don't mind doing videos out. And like I said, if it make it to a video, that means it's Miss Tamika approved. So I will say this hair bag is Miss Tamika approved, and I did open it because, like I said, I wanted to look at the bag, go through everything to make sure everything was everything. I chose, well, let me show you the packaging first. So here's the packaging. It came stuffed with paper. You have your dust bag. And if you know Louis Vuitton, you already know this box is not real, because you could tell by the look, the texture, the color, and everything. But I'm just showing you how everything came. As it came through FedEx, shipping was really fast. So this is the bag that I picked you all. Like, tell me she is not a cutie. Like, tell me she is not a cutie. Gosh, y'all, I don't even know if this bag is still available on the website. I will try and research for myself, but y'all, she is just so cute. And the only reason why majority of the time I pick Louis Vuitton, because I feel like I know Louis Vuitton enough where I can feel the quality of the bag to see if it feels cheap, plastic, or not worth it. In the bag, like, everything for its packaging was 10 out of 10. The straps came detached, and they were also in like a clear package as well. Like, get this here strap, and it has a little bit of gold detailing on here. Now the gold detail, it's not heavy, but it don't feel cheap. It's like in between. The strap, it is detachable, and you have this here luggage tag. This did come detached, so I had to attach it myself. The LV on the front. Now it doesn't feel like my actual LV bag that has this here detailing on the front, but again, who's going to be up on your bag feeling and touching it? Like I said, I'm just being picky because I have, you know, real Louis Vuitton, so that's the only reason why. But if you just like a regular girl that wants to have a cute bag and, you know, about all of that, then yeah, you would be happy, okay? So here's the bag. It don't have any feet on the bottom. This bag is like a cute little nugget. I had to call my Sephora friend, because usually I send her voice messages. I said, no, I had to FaceTime her. I was like, friend, you need to see this in person. Like, friend. She was like, go ahead and do that review so you can bring her to work so I can wear her. So here's the bag. Show you, you can wear it as a crossbody. So let me see. So here's the bag as a crossbody. So I'm not sure how people wear this bag, because like I said, I really didn't do my research on this here particular bag. But here's the bag as a crossbody. Slight smell, but it's not nothing really strong. It just smells like the warehouse, I guess. So let me grab a few things that I will put in this hair bag, and I'll be right back. At the moment, I am carrying this here Marc Jacobs tote. So here's the bag, and right now at the moment I did throw this here put a lid on it poopery spray that I got from Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna put that in here. It's not that I poop out in public, but you know, I just wanted it because it's something cute to put in my purse. Carrying my Chanel card case, so that would go in here. Also have my Chanel pouch that can fit. And that's my Christian Dior lotion. I'm gonna put in here my gum, earpods, my pill holder, I got these cute little highlighters at 5 and Below. I have this here highlighter, so I'm gonna throw that in there. Lip gloss, my Merit Mirror, Dollar Tree hand sanitizer. Yo, when I tell you this little baby holds a lot, like, do you see? She holds a lot, y'all. Like, look in the inside so far. She is so cute. You hear me? Another lip gloss. I'll put my Tom Ford lipstick in here. My Makeup by Mario lip gloss in here. And I think that's it for now. But this is everything. My purse with everything in here. The only thing left, the only thing is missing is my cell phone. And that is on the charger. But everything else that I normally carry is in here. Putting my Chanel case in there, that's probably where I would throw in my glosses and stuff, just so it won't you know, be moving all around in the bag. Really quick, so here is this is like a cute little nugget. That's what I'm gonna call her, a little nugget. I'm gonna look this up because this bag is really cute, you all. So really quick, here's the inside of the bag. So I'm going to show you what I have in here. I have my pill holder, Chanel card case, my pink highlighter. I have my Christian Dior lotion. I have my Chanel pouch. My hand sanitizer. My Fenty gloss. My Poopery spray, Makeup by Mario gloss, my Tom Ford lipstick, my gum, my earpods, and last but not least, my Merit mirror. If I didn't mention, in the inside it doesn't have any inside pockets. It would have been nice if it did have like a zipper pocket here on the back, but it don't. Like a base shaper at the bottom. I don't know if the original one comes like that, but it do help the bag to keep its structure here at the bottom versus it being really slouchy. Like I said, these hair straps can come off, so if you want to wear the bag just as a handheld bag, you could do so. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the stuff back in here. And so yeah, I'm just putting everything back in here a little neater because I was just putting stuff in here. So like I said, for this bag to be small, it carries a whole lot, you all. And like I said, let me show you really quick. You can carry this handheld like so, like this. You can carry it like this. You know what, this reminds me of my Sephora. I think I was supposed to put them, okay, I think they're supposed to go this way. Okay, this reminds me of my Sephora bag. You know, that little sweater bag? Like, that's what this reminds me of. She is a cutie. Like, she is such a cutie. Her bag is over $2,000 if it's still available on the website. But y'all, this is cute, y'all. I'm sorry, she is cute. Link everything down below for you all, just in case you want to purchase one for yourself, y'all. When I tell you 10 out of 10, like 10 out of 10, I would highly recommend this here particular brand. Now keep in mind, they do sell a whole lot of other bags, but this is the one that I picked out. They have like the Chanel's, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, YSL. Like, they have a whole lot of brands, but like I said, I kind of stick to Louis Vuitton because I know Louis Vuitton. But depending on how often brands reach out, I may, you know, convert over to different brands just to see. It's just home for me because I can kind of feel the texture, feel and look at it. And, you know, I can kind of look at it and see if it's worth the money versus other brands, because I know nothing about Chanel, like nothing at all, except for me having this card case, pouch, and that other card case I have. And other than that, I never had a bag, so I don't know what to look for. I don't know, so that's why I didn't pick any of the Chanel bags. So, but that may change, you know, depending on how often brands reach out, because like I said, I don't have nothing to do, y'all, besides work. My kids are grown. So it's like I told y'all, YouTube is my happy place. So like I said before, I cannot continue to buy Louis Vuitton bags just to do videos. So I'm just having fun with this whole dupe thing. And it's really big on TikTok, y'all, because I don't know if y'all saw or heard about that Walmart Birkin dupe. Everybody is going crazy over that bag. And when you look at that bag, of course, it's not exactly the same, but it looks damn near the same. And it's like so cute the way people was dressing her up, putting little charms and scarves on the bag, like, oh my gosh. And then my friend bought me these bags, and I'm waiting for them to come in because they got delayed during the snowstorm. So once they come in, I'll be doing a review on them. She got those off of the TikTok shop because she loves bags like I do. So with bags, I mean, bags are expensive. You know, I know both sides because I've been on both sides. And like I said, back when I was heavy into purchasing Louis Vuitton, you know, the prices of their monogram stuff, I'm like, that's a leather bag price. Like, some bags I've been looking at, I'm like, if I'm going to spend that much, I might as well just get a leather bag. You know, because like I said, back when I was purchasing it, the monogram was like under $2,000. Like, I have a few bags from Louis Vuitton that I purchased under $2,000. Like, majority of my bags were under $2,000 except for the backpack that I sold. But all those other bags were under $2,000. Some of them may have been like $2,020, no more than $2,500 with tax. But like I said, a lot of my bags were under $2,000. So that's why I was enjoying myself when purchasing, you know, my Louis Vuitton. So now with the prices going up the way they are, I'm like, it's not really worth it for me right now. Before, I'm a woman. I can always change my mind. I'm not sure if I want a bag for my birthday. Like I said, the only thing I'm looking to purchase for my birthday is a Chanel card case, and it would be like some type of black card case with the gold hardware. I think that's it as far as what I wanted for my birthday. And then I also wanted to get a Kindle because I saw that they came out with these like I think it's called raspberry. So those are the only two things that I wanted for my birthday and Valentine's Day. So I'm good right now. Like, I'm enjoying these little bag dupes, you know. And I still have that Louis Vuitton Speedy, that colorful cream color. I think I got that during the winter time, and y'all know spring and summer coming around the corner, so it's going to be time to bring her out too. So yeah, y'all, I'm just having fun with the dupe. So again, I'm sorry if this is not y'all cup of tea. I apologize, but like, I think for you all that's not into the whole dupe thing. So like I said, just be patient with Miss Tamika. I do have a Louis Vuitton purchase that I purchased after Christmas or during Christmas or something like that. I just haven't gotten around to uploading and editing that video. So you may see that video first. I'm not sure what video gonna go out first because I have to catch up with the whole editing thing. One came from the actual Louis Vuitton store. Like, I have my receipts and packaging and everything like that. So make sure you are subscribed so you can see what Miss Tamika ended up purchasing from the actual Louis Vuitton store. So I just wanted to get on here and do this here really quick unboxing. I leave you all, I wanted to do a really quick Dollar Tree haul with this whole dupe thing. Let me show you what I found at Dollar Tree, okay? Because I've been duping it all day, y'all, like all day. Okay? Particular item I was not looking for, this one found me. Y'all, tell me this don't look like a Bath and Body Works hand soap. Do you see that? Same shape and everything. Now, I don't know how it smells. Like, I don't know if it smelled cheap or whatever because I haven't opened it yet. But $1.25. And these are what? $3.50, $4.95, or $6, $7. I haven't been buying Bath and Body Works soaps in a long time because I've been using what I have at my house. This because I'm running low. I was like, well, let me grab these. So if the scents are nice, like if I end up liking how they smell, I'm gonna grab some. $1.25 versus the other prices. Just because I buy these different things that's like a dupe for Bath and Body Works and other brands, I will continue to buy from the actual brands. It's just that sometimes it's okay to take a break, you know. $1.25 versus the... How much are the hand soaps, y'all? If y'all know, let me know down below, because for some reason I just can't think right now. So yeah, I'll let y'all know how I like these here hand soaps. And then, y'all, last but not least, about Touchland, y'all. I've been buying these like crazy, and I didn't mind paying the $10 minus my discount. So with my discount, I think it came to like $7. Again, I didn't mind paying $10 for them because I paid $20 for I paid $20 for the Hello Kitty ones because we didn't sell them. So I don't mind paying the price because I like what I like. I took myself when I was on TikTok. Again, I hate that they're gonna be banning TikTok. I'm not sure how that works because I'm not really heavy on TikTok, but I just so happened to come across a Dollar Tree saw these, and ever since I saw that video, I have been going crazy with trying to find these here hand sanitizers. When I tell you I done bought like 20 plus, I have more in my drawer. I don't even want to show you all of them, but y'all, I have been going crazy. Okay, so I have a total of 10. And these here are the Touchland dupes. Like I said, I love Touchland, and I'm not gonna stop buying Touchland. But if I could take a break, okay, something is leaking. Something leaking. But if I could take a break from buying, you know, the Touchland, like, why not? Like I said, I'm not gonna stop buying, but right now I'm just taking a break and I'm just having fun, y'all. I am just having a grand old time. You hear me? Now these here, I went to the same Dollar Tree and I found them the second time. So like I said before, I highly recommend you checking the register and asking one of the sales associate, because these were at the register and I just grabbed like all of them except for like 4. I should have just grabbed the whole thing, but I grabbed 10 because I wasn't a big fan of the frosted coconut, but I got it just to switch it up. So I'm good with the winter scent, so I'm kind of looking for this, I think it's the fall scents. So yeah, y'all, I told you I'm that person when I have when I want something, I want it, and I'll just go and keep going until I get what I want. So yeah, y'all, I just say that to say it's been a dupe day today. You hear me? A dupe day. So yeah, just take a look at her one more time. Like, one more time. She is a cutie. And like I said, she holds a lot. I don't know if I would carry the strap with this hair bag. I probably just carry it like this, you know, handheld. So yeah, y'all. If you enjoyed this hair video, please give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you could be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Mwah.